Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of CPI inflation rate. In just 5 minutes, we would explore its causes, implications, and how it's measured accurately. So let's get started. The CPI inflation rate is a crucial economic indicator that measures changes in average price level of goods and services consumed by the households. It helps guide economic policy decisions and determine purchasing powers. But what are the causes of inflation? There are several causes of CPI inflation rate. First, we have demand pull inflation. This occurs when aggregate demand exceeds the available supply, leading to upward pressure on prices. This is often happens during the period of strong economic growth, increased consumer spending, or excessive government expenditures. Another cause is the cost push inflation. This happens when production costs such as labor, raw materials or energy rises. Businesses then passes on these increased costs to consumers by raising their prices, ultimately causing the inflations. Monetary factors also play a significant role in inflation. Changes in money supply, interest rates and credit availability can all impact inflations. When central bank increases the money supply or lower interest rate, it stimulates spending and can contribute to inflationary pressures. Now that we understand the causes, let's explore the implications of CPI inflation rate. First, it affects the purchasing power. High inflation erodes the purchasing power of consumers as the cost of goods and services increases. This can impact the standard of living, especially for individuals on fixed income or with limited wage growth. Inflation also influences the interest rates. Higher inflation may lead to tighter the monetary policies, including increasing the interest rates to curb the excessive spending and stabilize prices. On the other hand, lower inflation may result in accommodative monetary policies to encourage economic growth. Lastly, inflation affects investment decisions. It alters the expected returns on the investments. So investors must consider the inflation when evaluating the potential investments. Inflation can erode the real returns on investment and impact long-term financial goals. So how the CPI inflation rate measures? Let's find out. Accurate measurement of CPI is essential for policymakers. The process involves several steps. First, representative basket of goods and services is selected to reflect household consumption patterns. This basket is periodically updated to reflect the changes in consumer preferences. Next, data on the prices of goods and services in the basket is collected from various sources like retail stores, service providers, and online platforms. The data must represent a wider range of geographic locations. The collected prices are then used to calculate the CPI index by comparing current prices to a base period. The index is weighted to reflect the relative importance of different goods and services in household consumption. Finally, the inflation rate is delivered by comparing the current CPI index with the index from the previous period. This percentage change represents the inflation rate for that period. And there you have. We would cover the causes and implications and measurement of the CPI inflation rates. It is vital economic indicator that provide insight. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit and like the subscribe button to our channel for insightful content. See you next time.